This is the second iteration of the e-bike kit for my Carbon Quest velomobile. The purpose was to make an electric assist that can easily be mounted and dismounted in a short time, and nothing else should have to be mounted or modified on the Quest. The kit looked like this: the control panel, the chain path, the activation sensor, and the overload sensor. The kit is mounted behind the seat and is attached to the bolts for the rear suspension arm by 2 nylon mounts. There is a handle with a short cable attached to the kit which is accessible when driving. Other than the battery, everything is contained in the kit. The base is a standard 28-inch 250 watts front hub engine. The principle is that when the driver is pedaling, the chain is tensioned and the sensor in the kit that activates the engine. The kit can swing upwards when the load from the engine is greater than normal. If this happened, there is another sensor in the bottom that senses this and turn the engine off. The chain is wrapped around 2 idlers with the chain wheel in the middle. The construction is based on a standard aluminum L profile and some 3D printed parts. The left hollow profile. The right hollow profile. The middle hollow profile. The lower profile which holds the sensors and the fixed idler. 3 black cover boxes which hides the cables. 2 nylon mounts. 1 with a spring-loaded pin. A swing arm for the idler that senses the chain tension. A swing arm for the overload sensor that touches the floor in the velomobile. 2 soft ends for the aluminum profiles which supports the kit against the floor. A cover for the sensors. And a soft handle with the driver's activation switch. The 3D print material I have chosen is Thalman Nylon 910 for the mounts. ASA Plus for the boxes, swing arms and covers, and Ninja Flex for the soft handle and the soft ends. I use nylon for the strength and ASA Plus, and not ABS, because its slow warping capability. This is how you mount the kit. Remove the chain cover. Put the left mount over the screw head. Place the nylon pin in the tube at the other side. Put the chain over the rear idler first and then over the front idler. Connect the battery. Place the start handle where the driver can reach it. Turn on the e-kit by pressing the power button on the control panel. This can be done from the driving position. If the handle was left in the on position, switch it off, and then on again. Now you are ready to go. The assist function is activated when the handle switch is on and when you put some force on the pedals. If you want, you can turn the assist off with the handle wheel to driving. Since the engine is behind the seat, there is no load on the front chainring when changing gears at the front, and when you change gears at the back, I normally reduce the pedal force and this turns the engine off until I increase the force again when gear changing is completed. The noise level is quite low even with the hood on. The noise from my winter tires is a lot higher than from the engine. If you are interested in some more information, please make a comment.